Silver prices are rising sharply, and this move is not random. Multiple global factors are coming together and pushing silver higher at the same time. Unlike gold, silver is both a precious metal and an industrial metal. This makes silver very sensitive to global economic and technological changes. One of the biggest reasons behind the rise in silver prices is strong industrial demand. Silver is used in solar panels, electric vehicles, electronics, semiconductors, and 5G technology. As the world moves toward renewable energy and electric mobility, the demand for silver continues to increase every year. Solar power alone consumes a large amount of silver, and global solar capacity is expanding rapidly. This means silver demand is becoming structural, not temporary. Another major reason is inflation. Inflation remains high in many economies, reducing the purchasing power of paper currencies. During such times, investors move toward hard assets like precious metals, including silver. At the same time, the US dollar has shown periods of weakness. Since silver is priced in US dollars, a weaker dollar makes silver cheaper for global buyers, which supports higher prices. Interest rate expectations are also playing a key role. Markets are now pricing in potential interest rate cuts in the future. Historically, precious metals perform well when interest rates peak or start declining. Lower interest rates reduce the opportunity cost of holding metals like silver. Silver is also considered undervalued compared to gold. The gold-to-silver ratio remains relatively high, which suggests that silver still has room to outperform gold in the coming period. Supply constraints are adding further pressure. Silver mining production has not grown fast enough to meet rising industrial demand. This imbalance between supply and demand supports higher prices over the long term. For investors, silver offers diversification, inflation protection, and exposure to green energy growth. For traders, silver provides strong volatility and trend-based opportunities. However, silver prices can be volatile, and proper risk management is essential. Silver's current rally is driven by fundamentals, not just speculation. Industrial demand, inflation concerns, interest rate expectations, and supply limitations are all aligning in favor of silver. Why silver prices are rising now? Silver prices are rising across global markets. This move is not sudden or accidental. Several powerful factors are pushing silver higher at the same time. Silver is not only a precious metal. It is also an important industrial metal. This makes silver very sensitive to changes in the global economy. Strong industrial demand. One major reason for rising silver prices is strong industrial demand. Silver is widely used in solar panels. It is also essential for electric vehicles, electronics, and semiconductors. As renewable energy grows worldwide, silver demand continues to rise. Solar energy alone consumes a large amount of silver every year. This demand is long-term and structural. Inflation supporting silver. Inflation remains high in many economies. When inflation rises, paper currencies lose purchasing power. During such periods, investors prefer hard assets like precious metals. Silver benefits from this shift in investor behavior. US dollar impact. Silver is priced in US dollars. When the dollar weakens, silver becomes cheaper for global buyers. This increases demand and supports higher prices. Recent dollar weakness has helped silver's upward move. Interest rate expectations. Markets are expecting interest rate cuts in the future. Precious metals often perform well when interest rates peak or fall. Lower interest rates reduce the cost of holding silver. This makes silver more attractive to investors. Silver versus gold valuation. Silver is still undervalued compared to gold. The gold-to-silver ratio remains above historical averages. This suggests silver has more upside potential than gold. Historically, silver tends to catch up after such periods. Supply constraints. Silver supply is not growing fast enough. Mining production remains limited. At the same time, industrial demand keeps increasing. This supply and demand imbalance supports higher silver prices. What this means for investors: silver offers diversification and inflation protection. It also provides exposure to green energy growth. For traders, silver offers volatility and trend opportunities. However, silver prices can be volatile. Risk management is very important.